This lineup has 5 travel razors plus 1 companion case, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But most people toss a tiny handle into a damp toiletry bag, then hunt for a usable razor at the hotel. The better pick comes down to cartridge access, case design, and how much setup you'll tolerate. A clever case won't help if refills are hard to get. Match the handle, head system, and charging routine. Let's move. Number 6. Billie Travel Case. This isn't one of the main razors, it's an add-on for current Billie owners. I'd pack it when my existing Billie handle already earns its suitcase space. It snaps over the razor head, while bottom perforations give trapped water somewhere to escape. Its magnetic base also keeps the stored razor from rolling around a bathroom counter. But you're buying protection and storage, not a new shaving tool. I wouldn't choose it without confirming your Billie razor fits, because specific model compatibility isn't documented here. Skip it if you need a complete razor. Also skip it if you don't use a compatible Billie handle. That's a useful add-on, not a switch. Number 5. Bushbalm the Francesca Body Plus Bikini Trimmer. Want to stop thinking about spare cartridges during a longer trip? I'd pick this for travelers who prefer an electric tool and can spare more toiletry bag room. Its stated 5-hour battery life means you can pack for a trip without constantly chasing the charger. Ceramic blades and a waterproof design also make it the most setup-heavy option here that still feels travel-ready. But it's bigger than a manual travel razor, and charging becomes another thing to manage. I wouldn't bring it for an overnight bag where every inch matters. Skip it if you want the smallest manual option. Also skip it if charging gear feels like unnecessary travel clutter. Number 4. Athena Club the Mini Razor. If tiny travel handles make you feel like you're shaving with a hotel pen, start here. I'd pick this for someone who wants a steadier hold without moving up to a full-size handle. Its smooth, grippy handle runs slightly longer than some options here, so it gives your hand more surface to work with. It also accepts any Athena Club razor head style, which makes staying within one refill system straightforward. But that handle-first design gives up some of the smallest pack advantage. I wouldn't choose it for a toiletries pouch already packed tight. Skip it if maximum compactness matters most. Choose it when control matters more than shaving off every possible inch. Number 3. Schick Hydro Silk Mini Razor. This earns its spot when your hotel bathroom becomes home for more than a quick stop. I'd pick it for longer stays where leaving the razor accessible beats digging through a damp pouch every morning. Its 5 flexible blades handle the actual shaving job, but the magnetic case is the better travel feature. The case lies flat and becomes a shower stand, so the razor has a predictable place between uses. But that stand function barely matters on a quick overnight trip. I wouldn't pay extra packing attention for a feature you won't use. Skip it if you want the smallest possible razor. Choose it if your destination setup matters as much as the shave itself. Number 2. Flamingo Travel Razor Kit. If one handle needs to cover different grooming jobs, this is the smarter kit. I'd pick it for travelers who want separate head options without packing separate razors. You get a general use head plus a slimmer, flexible head for more controlled work in smaller areas. Both heads store in the ventilated case, so the kit stays together instead of becoming loose packing pieces. But 2 heads still mean more parts than a simple one-head razor. I wouldn't bring this when my goal is the absolute fastest, lightest toiletry setup. Skip it if you only want one shaving head. Buy it when the extra head solves a real routine, not just a hypothetical one. Number 1. Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Travel Razor Kit. This is the one I'd actually buy for routine travel touch-ups. I'd choose it because the small manual format solves the packing problem without locking you into a specialty system. Its 5-blade head and wet-activated lubber strip make the razor feel like a complete, everyday tool, not a disposable compromise. The vented clamshell case also gives the head its own protected place after use. Better still, the handle works with most Venus refill cartridges. But the small handle won't suit everyone who prefers full-size leverage. I wouldn't buy it if your current cartridges are simply Venus or Venus pubic hair. Skip it if you want a larger grip. For most travelers, this is the cleanest balance. Pick Billie only when you already own a compatible handle. Bushbalm is the electric choice, Athena favors grip, and Schick favors longer stays. Flamingo handles multiple grooming areas. Gillette Venus wins for a compact, everyday kit with broad refill flexibility. Before buying, confirm your handle accepts the refill heads you plan to use. Check cartridge cost and availability before you buy. Then decide whether you need a shower stand, multiple heads, or an electric charging routine. Choose Billie for an existing compatible handle, Bushbalm for electric travel, and Athena for grip. Schick suits longer stays, while Flamingo handles multiple grooming areas. I'd buy Gillette Venus for most trips. Links are in the description.
Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.